Hey, surely you've noticed that we put out a lot of content on social media, on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. How do we get the time to do that with our magical, amazing words? Well, I'm going to let you in a secret. It's not all just me. I'm using the help of Bertha.AI as well. She is amazing, and if you haven't come across Bertha, please go and get it. It's Content AI, free plugin. There is a premium plan as well, especially if you want to get a whole load more. And there are loads of things that you get for free with Bertha. Just have a look at what it is and how well it's integrated with loads of other plugins too. But the thing why we're doing this video is that I am going to use a premium feature. Now, what I'm doing, you can actually do for free as well. It just takes a little bit longer. So I'm going to show you both methods, right? I'm going to show you how we create social media posts really, really quick and easy. I've got a post over here, just a basic WordPress post, right? Now over here, when you click anywhere on your post or even on your pages, you will have a Bertha symbol. You can just see it over there, just near the little plus sign there. When I click that, I'm going to use the Ask Me Anything module that is over here. But I do want to let you know that in the free version, you do get things like value proposition, subheadline, and other areas as well. In fact, one of my favorite ones is if you click on blog down here, you can start to click things like paragraph generator or blog post outline as well. There's intro paragraph as well, okay? All of these can help you write a social media post, but I really, really want to get across to you why the Ask Me Anything module is amazing. So I've typed in a question. Is WooCommerce a good solution for e-commerce websites? And I'm now going to click the generate icon. And what Bertha's going to do is pull out content and words. And look, it's doing this real time. I haven't even paused the video or anything. It's now popped out some words. Now, so far what I've seen here looks all right. I'm now going to hit return and click generate again. Sometimes I might take away a few words or modify it. Normally, I would paraphrase and add some further words and add my own spin on it. So right now, it's now saying, so some of the features, blah, 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 blah. So I'm now going to take all of the words here. I'm just going to copy this, right? I'm going to go to Publer. You can use any social media scheduling tool that you want to use. I'm going to untick Twitter, mainly because I know the content in here is 762 characters. It's a lot longer than it needs to be. So, this all looks okay. It's not repeating anything. And I'm going to just change the spelling here to be British rather than the American spelling. And now I'm going to add in an image. And you could, if you want, when you go in to add an image, go to Canva. If you've got a Canva account, log in, and then you can pull over an image. Or you can just hit Unsplash. So I'm going to type in WooCommerce. I don't think I'm going to get anything for... okay, we got a WooCommerce there. Let's change that to be e-commerce instead. So, e-commerce. Yeah, okay, let's just go for that. With the street sign there, right? Just something a little bit different. And then I hit use media. Using the Bertha.AI, right? Which integrates into WordPress and you can get it for free. I am using the premium module, which is Ask Me Anything. And believe me, the pricing for this is so brilliant. But I've just written a post, literally starting with that title. And it generated all of this information for me. And look, when we go back to Publer, it's now there. And I can either hit post and post straight away, or I can hit schedule and go, right, okay, this post is going to go out 2 o'clock today. And that's it. In the morning, I can, in like 10, 15 minutes, sort out 8 or 9 posts and schedule them for the day, and they're going to go out. And I might put links in there back to our website or to somewhere else. But this is super, super easy way for you to just basically write anything. So I could put in something like what is Bertha.AI? This is probably going to be a bit biased, right, in what it will probably bring out. It'll probably bring out poetry. But look, it starts to generate words for us just like that. I mean, look at it. And then I can just go underneath if I want and hit generate again. And it continues the wording. On the odd occasion, you might get a bit of a duplicate, but that's so easy to edit out. But this is so super quick to just get your content. And look, this is real time. Let's take the wording back over to Publer, right? It's going to be too long for a Twitter post, so I'm not going to engage that one. Let's just check the wording is all right. Dan Humans, everything looks fine. Fine. Let me hit return here. I'm now going to add in an image. Now, I don't think I'll get a Bertha image. I don't think I'm going to get one of those from, to be honest, from Unsplash. However, if I go for AI, what do I get here? So, ooh, look at this. That's not very nice of Bertha, is it? But hey, I quite like this one here with the matchsticks. When you do use the Unsplash, it does put a URL and a description. It's not a bad idea to leave the description because you're crediting where it comes from. Just double check again, all the content looks all right. I might add a bit of spacing here. You would have modified the words, paraphrased them a little bit. Go to schedule, and I'm now going to schedule this one to be at 3 o'clock and schedule. Like, I am talking, don't forget. And if I wasn't talking, I'd probably do this a bit quicker. But the power of using Bertha, the Ask Me Anything module, mind explosion time. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow, and get cracking with your social media posts now.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.